Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini couple pics. First, understand that a Gemini picture combines two separate images of the same person or two different people into one seamless photograph. This creates a unique, often mirrored or split effect, giving the illusion of two distinct moments or perspectives within a single frame. It's a creative way to showcase duality or connection, requiring careful planning and execution for a professional result. Before you even pick up your camera, thorough planning is key. Decide on your concept, whether it's a playful interaction or a serene reflection. Choose a location that offers consistent lighting, ideally soft, diffused light, to avoid harsh shadows. Coordinate outfits and any props so they complement each other, ensuring visual harmony. Finally, plan out the specific poses and expressions for each person, considering how they will interact across the split image. When shooting, a sturdy tripod is absolutely essential to keep your camera perfectly still. Any movement will make blending nearly impossible. Use manual camera settings for consistent exposure and white balance across both shots. Have each person pose separately, ensuring they stay within their designated half of the frame. Take several shots of each, allowing for slight overlap in the middle. This overlap provides crucial extra pixels for seamless blending during the editing process. Now for the magic in editing. Import your two best images into software like Photoshop. Place one image on top of the other as separate layers. Carefully align them using a common background element as your guide. Create a layer mask on the top image, then use a soft brush to reveal the bottom image, blending the two halves together. Refine the mask edges and make any necessary color or exposure adjustments to achieve a perfectly seamless and believable final Gemini picture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.